Ulit, mother. Hay. Ayan, with mother. Let's go, mother. O, diba? Bagya-bagya kang maglakad pa mo. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ni mother. Mother, where are you going, mother? Ayan, magsishopping daw si mother. Tignan naman yung bongga-bongga ng outfit niya. Diba? Ayan. Ayan ang si mother. Diba? Go, mother! Ayan! Ang dakila naming ina na napakaganda, very strong and healthy, with age. Ayan kami. Say hi to everyone, mother. Ayan, hi, Tita Reddy. Babatihan na kayong mother. Say hi to everyone, mother.
Good morning, everyone.
Ayan, good morning daw.
Lisa.
Oops. Ayan. Yes, mother. Let's go, mother. Let's go, mother. Ayan, patawid kami. Ayan si mother.
Do not enter, ano?
No, second po, mama. O, di ba, mother? Nangasabi na kaya kayo beautiful kayo. Confidently beautiful with a heart. Di ba, mama? Just go straight, mama. Ayan. Ayan si mother, dear. Slowly, mother. Hanapin. Ayan. Ne, mother. Mama, mag-wave kay Pakarang Pansyu. Ayan. Miss Binibining Hawaii. Good morning. O, diba? Ayan, si mother, dear. Ayan. Let's go, mother. Walk slowly. Hanapin. Walk slowly, mother. Slow. Relax. No, mother. Ayan. Say hi, mother.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Ayan. Si mother, naglilibot. Ayan. Ayan, manang-mana ako sa kanya. Parang maganda. Yeah, mother. Lago ng mother. Mother so beautiful. Lipstick, mother. Ayan. Yes, mother. Mother, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Diba?
Kathleen.
Hi, Kathleen.
I feel, still I feel.
Thanks, Kathleen, for your love. Say hi to everyone, mother. Tuloy ang laban. Ay, mama.
Hello, everyone.
Tuloy ang laban. Let's go, mother. It's okay, mother, Anna. Don't cry. Punta kayo ni mama po. Karagol na rin karton. Ayan. Good morning! Hey, mother. Saan ka gana ka rin tao? Aha. Ayan si mother. Go mother. Good morning. Blam yata lalo. Hala. May gising. Let's go mother. Hala. May gising. Okay, mother. Kumain na kayo ng adwa. Adwa. Just two only. Here, this one and this one. My mother. Yes. Sugar. Okay, mama, let's go.